Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a monogrammed box to share with you. It is this cute little box here. The minute I saw this stamp set, I had to have it because I love giving gifts like this. You can make stationery, you can make cards and write out the words, and then just make little gift boxes. There's just so much that you can do with it. An alphabet stamp set like this, and this one has great monogram ones. So it is the classic letters. This is also one of our online exclusives. That's why I told you to go check out the online exclusives in my store, because there are a lot of really good ones in there, and they're not in any catalog, so you have to go. You can go in my shop and just put in online exclusives, and I'll bring them all up on the page. So this is one of them. I love this one. I did my own monogram on this one, but I'm going to do a D this time for my sister, for one of my sisters. Her birthday is next, so I thought it would be cute to give her a little one of these. It's not going to be a surprise probably, because she's probably going to watch this video and see it, but that's okay. All right, so what else am I using? I am using the stylish shapes. I'm using the square for the top here, and then I'm using the Brights collection for our designer series paper. This comes in all our color families. So this is the Brights, and I am using Coastal Cabana. It's one of my favorite colors. I did put a bow on here. You do have to undo the bow to open it. This box it's 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5. So it's a 2.5 inch square. So it will fit lots of little goodies if you want to put them in there, or a small gift would be really cute. So this is what I'm sharing today. Let's get started. I already cut out with the stylish shapes the square I'm using. And this square is a 2-inch square. It is stitched, because you know how I love the stitching. You also need a piece of 8.5 by 10.5 cardstock, Coastal Cabana, and then I have the designer series paper here, and these are matted at 2 3/8 by 2 3/8. You need 5 of them, because I did all 4 sides plus the top. This time I'm using a different pattern though. All right, and then I am using this Pool Party grosgrain ribbon. It is Pool Party, but it matches it really well. And I love that it's a little bit lighter than the Coastal Cabana. And I think that's everything. So let's go ahead and stamp our monogram first. And I went ahead and I stamped in the Magenta Black. I stamped the letter first. So I'm going to do a D this time. Try to center that, and then we are going to do in the Coastal Cabana, we are going to do the little leaves. And these have different they are, let me show you here to explain it. So on here you can see some of them are curved more than the others. See, like these are curved more. Some of them are straight, some of them are a little bit curved. And so you can use whatever you want. It also has little symbols, and this is another language, I believe. I can't remember what they said these were, but see, you have it here. I think this is used in another language. If you know, put it in the comments, because I cannot remember what it was. So I am going to do one on each side like I did the other one. There, and that is it for our stamping, y'all. Really easy. And so let's go ahead and score. All right, so on the 10.5 inch side, we are going to score it at 1/2, at 3, 5.5, and 8. And then you're going to turn it, and you are going to score it at 1/2, 3, 5 1/2, and 8. The one that had 2 that have the 1/2 inch on each side, that are going to be the sides of our box. So what we're going to do here is we are going to cut off these here. Now this is the side that has a 1/2 inch on the top. This side does not have any 1/2 inch. And then we're going to cut off this one. And keep these are big enough to use. I usually keep them if they're that size. And then you're going to cut down on these side ones. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to cut that off there. And these are making our glue tabs. It just was easier to do it this way, so I can have my little flaps on the inside of the box. So these are what we're gluing. So don't worry about the size of those. If they're perfect, they don't need to be perfect. We're going to do this one here. I'm going to also do the top one. And then these sides we're going to do the exact same way. You're going to cut up each one of these. And then we're going to cut those. I try to make them about the same size. And then cut into these. And it makes it much neater inside the box than having really thick, big pieces. All right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is sharpen all these score marks. All right, I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus, and we are going to use it on here. Bring these up and make sure they meet really nice. And then we're going to put it on these two as well. And then line these up. And I like to trim in here if it gets a little bit tight. I like to just trim that. This one's okay. And then you have your box right there. All right, we're going to mat all of these. I'm going to put the polka dot on the top and the plaid on the bottom. So I'm going to use my wet glue here, because I'm running out of all my adhesive, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm waiting for my other glue to come in, because you know how I like that glue better. Put the polka dot here, because once you get this Tombow on your fingers, oh my gosh, it drives me crazy. All right, so I'm going to mat all 4 of these sides. Okay, so I have them all matted. That's the front of my box right there. I'm going to grab my ribbon here, and we are going to tie a bow. Let's see how much I need here. These make such good gifts. I had a stamp set like this before. Stampin' Up! Had one. Not exactly the same, but oh my gosh, I made so many monogrammed like gift sets, and I used it like crazy, and when I saw this one, I was super excited to get another one. You will use it like so much if you like to do gifts and stuff. And we're going to cut this. And I am going to actually pop this one up with dimensionals. So I am going to, let's make sure I got it going the right way. So I'm going to put 2 at the top here, leave a space for the ribbon, and then two down here. And they can slide the ribbon out from underneath, so you can keep on the monogram. And that's it, y'all. Isn't it really cute for a gift? I think it'd be super cute. I like the plaid too on this one. I think I like the plaid better. Which one do you like better? All right, well, this one's mine, so. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. The inspiration sheet will be on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. You can download it, print it, and this is my March host code. If you use it, I would really appreciate it. Before you go, I have a bonus to show you. I totally forgot about it, so don't leave. Look at this one. Look at this. Isn't it cute? I just wrote baby on it, and it would make a really, really cute little baby shower favor. You can even make it a little bit smaller, but I think this would be a perfect size for a baby. And then I used our little elephant bundle for the little elephant on the top. But you can go with the theme or anything. Isn't it cute? All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.